You are welcome. In this video, we'll explain the program to find all the factors of a given number. How to find the factors of the given number. So this is a Python program example. In this example, let's find the factors of the given number. So here, if we take example as a 60, if 60 is given, then we need to find out what are the numbers we're going to divide the 60. So 60 can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 2, 30 times, it can be divided by 3, so 20 times, it can be divided by 4, so 25 times. Yeah, it's 15 times, sorry. So the next one is the 5. 5 ones are 5 12 is 12 times. Then it can be divided by 10 times by 6. 10 again 6 times, so 12 times, 15, 20, 30, 60. All can be divided the 60. So therefore these are the factors of 60. Likewise, if any number is given, we need to write the program to show that what are the factors for that particular number. So let us write the program for the same. Okay, so here is a statement. Please enter the number to find the factors. So this is the input. So input is a function to read the value from the user, and that we are converting to integer, and then we are passing to x. Now x is the number. For that we want to find the factors. For this, let us define one function. Okay, number factors. Num factors, and we can pass the x value to this. So here we want to find out which are the numbers will divide the x. For that, let us take a for loop. For val, or you can say I, in, we'll take the range, we'll take from 1 to x plus 1, because we want to include that particular number also. Next, if x percentage, because we want to find out the remainder, right? So I, that is equal to 0, then that divide that particular number. So therefore you can say print I is a factor of x. Fine. Next we need to call that function. So therefore num factors of x, we'll pass the x only. Fine. So here we shift the str1 to below the function, because we are using the str1 inside the function. So therefore, the str functions instead of outside will brought to inside. So str1 is equal to str1 and str of I. So this is the factor, and then 1 comma I brought to right side. So now here we are printing the str1. Once all the list comes, that has to be get printed. So therefore we are using the print str1 here. Now let's execute. Let's say 100. So you can see that all the list will come in the bottom. So this we can say are the factors of x. So now if we give 100, so now you can see that all printed here. So they are the factors of 100. Fine. So this is a program to print all the factors of the given number. So please practice this and keep practice. Watch all the videos, and also you can watch a day-wise video to understand the more theoretical idea of the Python. And also you can do the small projects which are there in our tutorial. So subscribe to our channel and watch all the videos in our channels. Therefore you can learn Python faster. Thank you.